Hi there, and welcome to 527 98th Street South in Tacoma. Today, we're going to be taking a look at this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that has just under 1,050 square feet, includes a big detached garage, and sits on just over a quarter-acre lot. Now, the seller did pre-inspect this property, which the pre-inspection report does reveal some things that need to be repaired and some cosmetic things that can be adjusted. But the seller is generously offering a $15,000 seller credit to the buyer, so you can take care of any of those things, or if you want to do rate buy downs or anything else like that to help you get into this home. This house has a ton of potential, and you'll see through the tour that there is also a ton of parking for your cars, trailers, RVs, and any other toys that you might have. Now we'll check out the house, but first, why don't you check out the neighborhood, and I'll see you inside. Okay, let's get started. As we walk through the front door, we're greeted by an open floor plan that starts with the living room. I love all these big windows, and the ceiling fans keep everything nice and cool. We also have a little landing area to the right as you walk in with an oversized coat closet and space for shoe racks and transitional seating. Next, we'll see the informal dining space and kitchen. We've got newer floors, several updates to the kitchen that make it functional and fun to cook in. I personally love the butcher block countertops and stainless steel appliances. Now, on to bedroom 1. Again with these giant windows. I just love these. In the hallway, we'll find our bathroom, which also has some great updates. I particularly like the sink and the lights that they chose. It's a really cool vibe. Now onto the primary bedroom. We've got a deep closet here and plenty of space for furniture. This door leads to the unfinished basement, which would be great for extra storage. This is also the laundry room, with hookups for a washer and dryer. But let's go check out this massive backyard. First, we have a fenced-in dog run, which is very helpful if you have a pup that needs their own space. And of course, we have lots of room to play and run around back here.
We also have a 2-car detached garage with lots of overhead storage in the front and the back. This building is perfect for your hobbies, your cars, and all of your projects. Just look at all this gravel parking too. It's super easy maintenance, but also just a ton of raw space to work with. It's really perfect if you have extra vehicles, trailers, and even toys.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed the tour of this house and the property. Before I let you go though, I want to briefly talk about where this property is in context of the rest of Tacoma. We're actually only less than a mile away from Highway 512. That means in between here and 512, we're close to restaurants, and schools, and parks. But also, we're only 15 minutes away from the main gate of Joint Base Lewis McChord, which means an easy drive to work if you're active duty military. The house is also situated far off of Pacific Avenue in this offset street, so it's very quiet with a lot of attentive and friendly neighbors. If you're looking to put your stamp on a property, this might be the one. You should definitely come check it out. On behalf of myself and the entire team at Operation Red Dot, we're here to wish you happy house hunting, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.